It's the next day. Guess what? Still no power. Still no power. I don't know what's going on. And of course, no power, no internet. So, yeah. I'm so tired. So I will be going back to bed. But I'm about to go make me some coffee. That's it. That's it for now. Just want to pick up the camera and say good morning. It's another day. We have today is Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. We need so 4 more days. We have 4 more days here. But today I'm not doing nothing. Nothing. I'm gonna try to see if I could actually edit a video to get up by the time the power comes back. So see y'all later. Okay, now you need to focus. Oh. Literally contribution, donation towards the, what's it called? The funeral, burial, setup. Well, obviously, yeah, you guys buy. Okay, they bought some of it. There's a lot of donations, and of course, they bought.
Makayad.
No, yeah, I came from thingy funeral. Miss Hermie funeral, all three of y'all. They was here for Miss Hermie funeral. I was like, is this the first time you've been back here all together at the same time? I'm about to go get the mic. I have to hold it. The thing broke. I don't know how it broke, but it broke.
You put both
I was again.
Why then no?
Must do one of the box. That's up. That platter.
We get some cup water, so we chew up on the cup water, we chew up on the wasp. I want to give up with enough. No, we don't have no fire on level.
Put them out to white.
Huh?
The Sweets Up. That's where we all been watching the Sweets Up since we got here. You need to hurry up. You got like 3 more days to do something.
What kind of camera is this? This is a nice one.
Yeah, Nike back then. When I bought that camera, maybe it's $650 for it. When I bought it.
I
Yeah.
mean,
fish. Ew. It smells raw. Didn't you say wait for enough start fry the fish and you come with? Then you could have still come with. In the wood fire. No, you know those are gonna be banging. Those fish gonna be tasting so good. I draws didn't see draws before. This is very out of order. Very rude. Look how much money on that one fit one. Man.
They're not even cooked.
I went to get the one that defend the one the noche. Sweeper sweeping. Sweeper sweeping.
Yes.
Focus, stupid. Okay, there we go. That's the finished, but it looks good. Did I This year for the $1,000,001. So this year for the 1,000,000, then it's a look, so look, and then it look.
I mean, I say look now, but they say I want 6 feet or 3 feet across.
They're littler than they used to be, man. Then I have black that this. Oh, broke that book just so.
Andrew.
Hmm?
Andrew.
You want to bill?
Not what on top.
Oh. I laugh at I make you not go up in a hit. I mean, I laugh at you know easy. Then go along you drop a kin cat and you step over here and let you same place. They will clean this place up because it's where the burial obviously is gonna happen. The limb. What y'all think y'all gonna be doing? But I'll be down here.
Yes,
Because I don't know who telling us soap water can't drown wasps.
You will kill them, but yeah, they might go fly off. They might go fly off first.
So they're not coming in pump.
Then I go put the soap water in there and blow spray them.
I will be down here. Yeah. Hi.
Oh, this is 1 minute. Them two here. This is the green screen. Baba. I never know that one.
This is what's here of mangoes. We pass enough mango down at point watching a third Jefferson pub. Where is Carbine? Carbine. Where is it? Look.
That's the only one.
There's a mango. But see the blossom though?
Yeah, I have
enough blossom there, honey. No blossom there, honey.
Here and the front. To the front first, Dan. Yeah, because God let me have to open the front, the grill and the front door, and then they're right over the door. Green screen tree, the green screen are always sweet.
Oh.
I didn't want to lick or something.
Then so all of them start done as one lick or something. Oh, somebody care wood already?
Yeah.
Somebody carry wood.
I simply suffer them all them out from. And they free them.
Oh, that's for the wood fire for tomorrow morning
We're done.
before the coffee draws.
Alright, go on now. Oh, this is what we were smelling. Somebody, it's a close.
Oh, another fire. Give it the
Now where you are last?
Me I tell you me that man? No sir.
I'll pick a rubber. No, the if you find a plastic bag,
All of that 16 people just to dig one hole to connect to a hose. Watch them.
come to your son, come to your son. Oh, that's somebody. Yeah, but
The Sadiki boy get tall too.
that don't kind of them can't rock. Oh, them Ricky can't come. Yeah, Ricky. Oh, that kind of black sitting here look on like. What's the big guy? That don't try to come. This man is not going to move this door.
Oh, yeah, watch out the place.
Yeah.
Anyone is getting it.
Yeah, we'll take them and put back up
You
there.
can put them inside. Yeah, you can put rest them inside there when we
Well, do
put them
on
on
the
the
column
table.
till we done clean.
That's the thing I use to pick up myself.
Oh, very good, man. What do you have, man? Put it on the column. The carry is having a thing of course that is not good. Oh, no, the place.
He would have bought the plate down. Hey! Let me show you all the wasps. This house has always, look there.
Not only this house, mine too.
I don't know the money people saw. Look at this. That's what they bought to spray.
Under the chair them too. No meter water you have.
It's flat billing here.
I don't say you for we see. No matter. No, not in we. I'm not forgetting our high road.
Watch out, blouse and skirt. Look at it. On the light bulb.
Yeah, on the light bulb, they make the nest. Some dead still up and I still up on him. Yeah, knock it, lick it off when you yeah. You get the one right over the window?
Right at the window,
Then I say one day the
No, it's two different ones.
yeah, man, I want the wife on the door.
One up on the door.
It's not bad like the fab water. Watch it.
look on the porch.
Look up the on the porch. Put them. Yeah, man, they know, man.
Though it's ammunition.
You got to put
Aquan!
the one right in the car out there, Dan.
Wagala!
Up, sit up there.
Yeah.
That they can do kawan. What are they taking my car?
Yeah.
See the right here wall there.
That one that the danger is where they hide. Yes, man.
One more there, Dan. Watch it, Dan. Make a look. See some more here. See some more here, Dan.
Wait,
Some of them they never get no touch.
Go back. Look on the TV.
Look up at this one.
This one.
I see one for the window. The window.
That one get you?
On the door. One little one.
When the pan the light down.
The first, I first dance spray.
That's spray.
You see the pan the ground? One day me out there that me say me go buy it if it's spray. The wasp. When the guy found them there's a pet son. Feel like my son. Come and say to me say no.
Spray that one for the light bulb that's so done because you know so people are gonna walk around there so.
Right in the car.
Probably gonna refill the pump you know. I work all the way around. No sir.
Keep down. They might go over, but then you come down. One day I found I also look like could have taken some skin at the top. Then they found the chair too. Which chair? I don't know found it that the chair will lie down. Anyway, they will find a way. Don't make it. What? Don't have to up your grave or
Yeah, people.
I want to sit down. Oh, it's killing it and you want some more, Dan. You want some more.
And a bucket then that goes through.
You take bucket throw up the whole with the money.
And right, yeah.
Hey, yo, go away. In drunk. You can't even tap.
Can't even turn up.
I don't bite it by your hand, Dan?
No.
Oh.
Look at the grill there, so. Look at the lap down if none did it. No, open the end.
Oh, the top one.
Yeah, no, open the top one.
You see another one inside?
Seeing it.
No funny one.
Dana, you don't know better?
That's another thing. You ready to open
So when they write up everything, oh, you come out already.
Did they do them two there, Dan? Not them, they're not fat, not the phone.
Then go around the hole, yes, so. Ain't go around the hole, yes, so. Open it up and go through. Then people might walk that side there too, so you might just do the whole round.
And the back wall.
You know, so the one them went fly away, escape, they back from right back band.
If you want to drunk at that, dead, then gone dead.
One night, you do them.
Everybody come home night.
And then it's at the point.
She found the wasp nest. Do you see her with the broom?
And so someday I'll fly.
The jug, I think in a bucket.
Yeah.
I'm going to the bushes with them.
Look at the fine in. You just go fine, look at the fine, no.
My friend, where we go? Wait, don't they?
I didn't have you couldn't remember we. I know that we not have none.
No, your friend, where is from there? No, so I see him listening. Good luck.
So none of the fun.
What is it? I with the ball. Look up
Oh.
yeah, I'm telling you, so no matter what you do, the bush police. What you do, the bush police?
Wasps?
That's done. When you get these tickets, you put on it. Like you can pick it up one.
I got the one guy farm on Daddy.
Eh?
Got the one guy farm.
Oh.
We're walking into the bushes. I'm only here to get content. I'm not doing nothing. That's it. Man, I feel move. My mic broke. I'm trying to figure out how to hold the dang mic without thingy. But yeah, we're walking into the bushes to look mango, to boil mango. Are you trying to say a compound?
Yeah.
I'm going in the morning.
You can't come. My daughter was spending birthday.
I don't have any space in the car.
Okay.
It don't school stuff. That look like you're here. Y'all see this shit? This is the country. The sea. Let's zoom into the sea. See that out there? That's the tree. That's the sea. Tree. That's the sea all the way out there. Right now, spin like now the irrigation water. I look at the breeze stuff. I'm the cat. I'm the cat drone, you know. I'm put it back down because it breeze that blow. I look there. I look here. How far am I reaching a bush?
Yeah, so you want drone now.
This one on the roadside?
They're gonna like put that thing as a the one for your right hand side. I'm gonna find out what that's already.
Get you over there. Over there, you get there. You
Look at you. If you want to black up,
I'm not going to
Don't mess up.
Robin. I don't do that. That's Daddy. Yeah.
I don't have to. What's one I used to farm here?
Oh, chuk about that over there, sir. I feel about that. This yesterday put me now.
Yes, I do.
I'm in class every day, man.
Hello. Then there's a passy coconut tree.
I don't do he say. Do. I don't understand the mango tree there. Oh, come on, mango tree.
We have this.
Yes, let me say I do.
You don't know what they are. Sorry, when you love me, not you know.
Hey. Eh? Up in there, sir. I know you said joy. I don't listen.
You see mango up in that?
I know that's so joy. Joy. I don't listen.
You there? I told him we got a mango bush. In our camp, we're going to bush, got a mango bush.
Then the green skin tree, then not say black and keep over here. All the better. Place so quite clear. Why don't do it? What a big level lake. Dry pond.
They still drop on it, oh. I'm about to say, you thinking that it is still? Hey! I saw you the privilege to come here and get them.
Right, the road side. I think I'm see everything.
You see it? Yeah, chuk is a come. This is all scallion. See mango, the pan is a tree, but me not see now. I paid young mango. You can hear the tree drop down over the tomb.
I just say too. You see on Georgia? Up in the green one. Let me see one.
They all young. We soon come look to mango. Me, Grandma, Auntie Joy.
Oh, in them different countries.
How much you want think you are gonna eat?
Think about it all.
Are you me a chat to?
I have the one missing. All right, chuk see me them bottom side now.
You want to see anything else you can see? I tell you, what is the
Jai, you gonna pick up your mango them, see them a drop.
Chuk, see me them they low down there so look for my finger. You see that same limb there where the tree they pan? Alright, the limb we pint out there so.
The mommy pick it when them a chuk push down. See
One day. Chuk.
Well, you may sit there, crash pan.
oh, this one. Like two of them there, one side. Two of them there.
Why?
They picnic come.
Like the man's son. Well, you're going.
Let me see if you catch you
You never know, bro.
neither do I. That's why I'm gonna put the camera upon me. Hey. If a young man get them on the tree. No, watch them. Watch them.
Move up on the other one.
Yeah. And the couple of next one. It does something.
You know, we have to picture him. You go and try that. If you don't stand down like you can send him so far.
Come.
You're right. Thank you, sister. And I'll go round Jericho. Hurry up.
Hell no, me go back up and go me yard. Run, go do a mad. No.
Practice for me, I'll go.
Crossway.
Thank you, sister. Okay, let's stop with the
Let me go first.
Mommy, it's the
no Sunday dinner we had to go for me punching.
eh?
No Sunday dinner we had to go punching. No,
There's a peer rain at this, mommy. You see a peer rain at this.
you know, say we're too far down.
Yeah, we're gonna go slow. I'm gonna straight out.
Yeah, we're too far down, yes, sir.
Those are her mangoes. Now we headed back up. Eh? Now we headed back. I'm tired. Just start name them. I'm gonna them drain. Just start name them.
You know what I got? That is one time.
Took care back up in the picture.
That's a what process the next guy?
Cross where?
Yes, so right there, so. Oh, I miss this. I miss going in my garden. For weeks. I'm full when I'm ready to go to March.
See, wet. Then okay, then help somebody weed for them. Then I want them run out. No put moisture.
What's out then? What's the water?
Oh.
Carry me some moisture, careful. My moisture, now we wash the walls, moisture, let's prevent that.
The pressure washing a dry.
I'm going to the moisture, I know that. What's that together?
Then mommy, where you going? What's up, sitting here so this here? Banana, okay, so my goodness, look how much banana trees. Jeez. You lucky girl never lick it down.
Yeah, I think the kid don't flat everything. I brought that to me tree well. That's the very apple tree just barely lick down, you know. The big apple tree, you know.
The one on the side there, sir?
Right here, right up front, right
But
up
you
back.
like in the green skin?
Hold on.
I don't the command mango that.
Yeah, you know, say green skin tree, the three roof, the licky up, and
The green skin that. The I the command that.
the commander.
Oh, yeah, because you said the green skin there, we grave them in there.
The hurricane, the commander.
Where you go, yes, sir? I see a pear bush that.
Push the shoe this way.
Wait, maybe this, sir? No, sir. Me now go scratch up my skin. No, brother. We're keeping up this way. Shortcut bring draw blood. Look at that. Yeah, this is like the part of the backyard. Used to be part of the backyard. Hey. Then they run the water out of the grave.
If I get more, watch it. Cassava. Them are a sweet arbiter. Them are judging. Sweet arbiter. You judge it?
Me no know.
Hello? Coconut.
Oi!
We'll take shortcut. Coming through. He said he can't give me one seat.
You see what number when it says menu number?
Then I if you see me no seat, me I go look again. Or me just take it. Come on, coconut.
You see you tomorrow, yeah?
Kuya, Lord God, then I go kill me. See, sitting mash up. Alright, that's it. We're done in the bushes. Goodbye. Should we connect on Sharon? And this is boiled mango. I'm gonna have to do voiceover again in everything out here because it's so damn loud. Music always a play, but that's the boiled mango.
No, but
Boiled mango. Ricky, fast, Ricky. You want to join the music? The dance mash up. My one and only mango.
Indoor dark. Different. I like shady.
I want and only mango.
To the focus.
Can't even see me in the picture.
I think
Hey, mango.
nobody wants to see.
And I had to. Ready, Jack Carly on this one. Jack Carly on this one.
One down.